Susan Wente, and I'm excited to talk with you about Vanderbilt's upcoming commencement. Activities get underway Wednesday, May the 9th with the party. This fun and festive event begins at 9 p.m. on the Commons lawn. The party is open to the university community and admission for graduates is free. On Thursday, May the 10th, we are proud to welcome the Nichols-Chancellor's Medal Award recipient Amal Clooney to campus. Ms. Clooney will speak in Memorial Gym beginning at 11 a.m. with doors opening at 9:30. This event is open to all graduates and their families as well as all faculty, staff, and students. Thursday afternoon at 2 p.m., faculty from 4 of our university courses will lead seminars in Wilson Hall. Open to everyone, these seminars will explore a sampling of innovative courses like Rhythm of Change, African Music, and African Politics. This all builds up to Friday, May the 11th, with the main commencement ceremony on Alumni Lawn at 9 a.m., followed by the Graduate and Professional School Diploma awarding ceremonies. Commencement is such a joyous time of year, and I hope you consider joining me in attending some of these events. For more information, please visit the Commencement website or download the free mobile app.